the great Rossini from the land.
A genie.
I must now grant you 3 wishes.
Woo-wee!
But I reserve the right to change, modify, or determine the nature, content, and quality of said wishes. Your sign here, initial here, stamp here, fill in the blank, carry the 2, 6.7 APR.
I'll sign whatever you want.
Please answer all my questions as quickly as possible. Ready?
Ready?
What is 2 plus 2?
4.
What's the definition of plethora?
A lot.
What is mitosis?
The division of a cell nucleus.
What is the
Astronomical
Ptolemaic
system of Ptolemy, in which the Earth is at the center of the universe.
How did you get that so fast?
That baby's no baby. In fact, that's Buzz Buzzard. I'd recognize that hairy back anywhere.
Don't have to open. Don't have to open. Don't have to open. And some you just don't want to open.
You mind? Butterscotchy finger pie, here I come.
You are being demoted to a pigeon.
But I'm a woodpecker.
Not anymore. Now you're a pigeon.
Woohoo! I've got you, Missy. Yeah, thanks. You'll be coming back again soon.
Please, I give you anything. Just find a way to get her not to like me.
Anything? Say, free eats for a month, Wally?
You gaga cuckoo buggy. You bankrupt me.
Yo-ho! Oh, Wally! Which sounds the most romantic? Ms. Meanie Walrus? Mrs. Wally Walrus? Or my fave, Mr. Wally Meanie?
You're no doggy. You're a penguin. Huh? Now that's just downright cold.
Wow! Pour the blue gene gel into the bubbling beaker. Add your own genetic info. Huh? If you're a woodpecker, a tail feather will do. What? Pluck my own tail feather? Just do it. Boom. Wait a minute. If one tail feather makes an exact copy of me, then twice as many feathers should make a twice as good copy of me. I'm a girl!
Then did I have tusks?
Ah, phooey. I never did look good in chartreuse.
Well, you're not my idea of exotic, but I guess you'll have to do.
They'll be cooked in a jiffy. Meanwhile, take a load off on this here country port swine. Get them while they're hot!
Oh.
Stop, thief!
I need a shampoo and a leg wax.
The fur-bearing trout feeds on clothing to support its own fur.
Meet little Johnny Boom Boom, who had to go to military school. Now, every time he's bad, little Johnny Boom Boom gets sent off to his room.
I opened the door to a guy who looked like he'd just been hit by a truck full of handsome.
Pardon me, while my pants dry.
My suit! Say, not a bad-looking woodpecker. You're almost as handsome as me. Pretty good work, if I do say so myself.
Yeah. Good to meet you. Nice to know you. Nice place you got here. How much does a treehouse like this go for, anyway? Look, you got no tail feathers. What's up with that? Blah, blah, blah. Enough of the pleasantries.
German Polynesia? Home of the hula frows.
Twiggy! Help! Twiggy!
Mr. Woodpecker, what a surprise! I thought you were traveling alone.
This is my uncle. Oh, yeah, hey, I'm from a very foreign country. Very friendly woodpeckers there, and very clean.
Oh, how utterly charmed.
Charmed.
I've been all over the world, and I've never had my hand licked before. May I? May I?
Lapso Apso Oolong, my favorite. A little cream and lots of sugar.
Mrs. Fannywinkle. Mrs. Fannywinkle, as my most valued customer, please accept this rare, one-of-a-kind frozen woodsicle as a gift for your son.
Wowie kazowie! A woodsicle!
Oh, well. If Francis is happy, all right. You're forgiven, Mr. Walrus.
Hey, come on, that tickles.
It's alive! Oh, I will never, ever shop here again!
Oh, my darling, oh, my darling, oh, my darling, Attila the hen. I heard your eggs are truly amazing. Had to meet you, see how you been. Hey there, Feather Pie. I'm Booster, the giant rooster.